Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word uniting. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The community came together for a day of volunteering, uniting people of all ages and backgrounds for a common cause. Uniting refers to the action of bringing individuals or groups together to form a cohesive and harmonious bond, typically for a shared purpose or goal. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.